Hi friends, I'm Grishma and you are watching my channel G Tutorial. Today I am before you with some tips how to crack the SSC CHSL exam. It's a good news that CHSL exam is postponed, so you are getting more time for smart preparation. Just do smart study and utilize the 1 hour efficiently so that you can crack the exam. Here I will be providing some tips for you how to handle this 1 hour perfectly. Most of you study well and go for exam, but at the exam time you won't be able to utilize the time properly or manage the time properly, and you won't be able to see many questions and you won't be able to crack the exam. Most of you might have faced this situation after writing the CGL exam, so don't repeat this for CHSL exam. So I will provide very good tips which will help you surely to score more than 150 marks for the coming CHSL exam. So we can see how to do each of the sections. That is, you all know that there are 4 sections. First you should go for the reasoning section. And reasoning session, you have to do the 25 questions in just 15 minutes. You can do this only by skipping all those questions which consumes more time. Most probably questions from number coding takes more time. So if you are facing a problem with any of the questions from number coding, just skip it and mark for review. Solve all other questions within 15 minutes. And those mark for review questions can be solved at the end. Next, you should go for the English section and solve this English section questions in 7 minutes. The first 4 minutes should be for those questions except the 2 questions that is asked from jumble para. These are the 2 questions which consume more time. So leave it and for mark for review and do it at the end. So in the first 4 minutes from this, you can solve all other questions. Just read the question, very easy questions are asked. As we have seen for the CGL exam and the first 3 days of the CHSL exam, the English section is very easy. So you can surely solve those questions from English in 4 minutes. And this last 2 questions, that is the questions from jumbled para takes time. So you can utilize that rest 3 minutes or 4 minutes you can use and solve that. Then you will be getting some 3 minutes, no, or if you are not able to solve in 7 minutes, you can take 10 minutes to solve the English, handle the English. Next, go for the quant section. Sure, here you are allotting 30 minutes for the 25 questions. And at the last, here you are spending only 20 to 25 minutes. 5 minutes is remaining. This 5 minutes at the end should be provided for the GK section. Because at the last minute, that is the last 5 minutes, very crucial. You won't be able to solve problems in that 5 minutes. You will be very tensed. So it is better to utilize that time for GK section. And you can easily do all questions from GK in 5 minutes. And this in 30 minutes provided for quant section should be utilized like this. Don't go for questions from ratio and proportion, partnership, etc., which takes time. You should do that at the end. First go for questions from algebra. Then time and work. Then average. If you know the shortcuts from these, you can solve these problems very easily. Then geometry. Circles is very important for the previous first 3 shifts, 3 days of the exam. Many questions are asked from this section, circles. It is very important. Then you can, if you are familiar with all the formulas from mensuration, it will be very good. Simple questions, but formulas which you won't think questions may be asked from that. Such type of questions will be asked. So just by having formulas will do. So mensuration is also very easy section. Algebra, time and work, average, then profit and loss. Then go for SI and CI. Mostly SI and CI will be time consuming. DI questions are very simple for CHSL exam. So DI problems can also be solved easily. Then go for this time consuming questions. Most probably this is also time consuming question. So do that questions at the end. So you can do or go through all the 25 questions in this 30 minutes time. If you are having more time, if you are able to solve this quant section within 25 minutes or 20 minutes, you can utilize that remaining time for the questions from reasoning that you have left. Then go for GK section at the last 5 minutes. By using this strategy, you can surely solve most of the problems and crack the exam. I assure you that you will be getting more than 150 marks. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.